In today's video, I'll show you how to use Spotify's AI playlist feature. First, open Spotify. Once you're on the homepage, tap your library in the bottom. Next, tap the plus icon at the top, then select AI playlist from the menu. Keep in mind that this feature requires a Spotify Premium subscription and is only available in supported regions. If you have access to the feature, simply type a description of the music you want. For example, you can describe a mood, activity, genre, or vibe. Then tap Generate Playlist or Send. Spotify's AI will automatically create a personalized playlist based on your prompt. And that's it. That's how you use Spotify's AI playlist feature.